Okay, I need to go and get the mail. I have a package. Let's slowly and painstakingly walk all the way to the mailbox. Letterbox. Mailbox. Letterbox, right? What's the difference? Or is mailbox the yellow boxes that you put the mail in and send? And letterbox is where you get your mail. Is that the difference? I don't know. So, do you want to see something cool? Look. We're in Sweden, right? Oh, look at this. This is a cornfield. It didn't really get any corn this year because summer sucked. Last year we had tons of corn here. We actually stole 2 and ate them. Very rebellious. Anyway, they give this to the cows, I think. See, I grew up on a farm. I know nothing about farming. Yeah, never figured it out. Wasn't my thing.